Hello guys, today I'm sharing with you how to make this best lemongrass pork. This is so good, so delicious, so addicting. So it's important to cut your meat into thin strips so that it could easily get cooked. And then you go ahead and marinate it with soy sauce, sugar, pepper, and all these other ingredients. You can look it up in the blog. I will share the link below. And this one I'm showing you right now is a lemongrass powder. This is optional, but it adds a grassy lemongrass taste on your meat. Then you go ahead and fry the meat, and now you can set the bowl. Preparing the bowl is so easy. You can just add whatever you want. In my case, I added some noodles, I added some lumpia, and for the herbs, I had basil, mint, and cilantro. And then I made some sauce, and I will share the link below also if you want them. But for the sauce, it's optional, whatever you want. But then for me, I had a Vietnamese fish sauce. It's really delicious. And then I have green onion oil also. And then just add them to your bowl and mix it together with the ingredients, and you're done. Enjoy.